What is up, my cutie patooties? So, turns out you guys really like this low effort kind of content. And I mean, I'm not complaining because it is easier for me to make and pump out more of this kind of content. So yeah, that's pretty awesome sauce. What's on today's schedule? I mean, kind of just vibe for the rest of the night, you know what I mean? So last video, I talked about a habit that helped me on self-improvement. It was journaling. If you haven't seen that video, please do. I'm kind of desperate for views right now. I gotta eat. Man's gotta eat, you know what I mean? So, in this video, I want to talk about another habit that has helped me a lot throughout my self-improvement journey. And that habit is waking up early. There's a few reasons why I find waking up early to be incredibly helpful and a really good productivity method. The first reason is that it gives you time to eat the frog. So, if you haven't heard of this concept, let's just say you have a fancy meal, right? You have one of my favorite foods: cheesecake, pizza, brownies, cookies. I love chocolate chip cookies. What else? Oh, poutine. Let's just say you have all that. Steak too. It's all at a table. But you know sometime throughout this meal, you have to eat a slimy, nasty frog. You can get it done before eating everything else or after eating everything else. Why don't you get it done? Well, you would probably eat the frog before eating anything else, so you can enjoy the rest of the meal without having to worry about eating a frog. And the concept is basically getting the hard work done first so you could enjoy the rest of your day. And I find the morning to be incredibly helpful with that. Let's just say, for an example, you are finding it hard to be consistent with your habits. Well, the solution, in my opinion, would be to wake up early, because by waking up early, it actually sets a routine to get those habits done. So you're not just relying on finding free time throughout the day to get them done. By waking up early, you actually set a specific time for you to complete your habits. And that's really important when it comes to building consistency, I find. So yeah, that's reason number one why waking up early is awesome, is because it gives you time to be consistent with your habits and also get things done. The second reason why waking up early is cool is because it gets the ball rolling for the day. Personally, I find when I wake up early, I make my bed, I complete my habits, I feel great. And I feel like you would probably feel great too, right? So by doing these things, by completing these small tasks, it gets the ball rolling to complete bigger tasks later throughout the day. I heard this quote basically went like, if you want to conquer the day, you gotta conquer the mornings, or something like that. Or once you conquer the mornings, then you conquer the day, yada yada yada. And I believe that to be absolutely true. Anyways, what is on today's schedule? What is our side quest today? I'm just thinking of really just hitting up a gas station, convenience store, maybe Shoppers Drug Mart to get a drink and just vibe for this evening. I'm right at Shoppers Drug Mart, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I am in a singlet, so I'm gonna have to get some pants on before I go in there, or else I get like a public indecency charge, you know, I don't want that. I made that joke before. It's not funny anymore. Where are my pants at? We're in the wrong aisle, I think. Definitely in the wrong aisle. Yeah, here we are. Now, personally, I really like these, but they are pretty expensive. It is late at night. I am trying to go to sleep later, so I think I might just like stick to this aisle to be safe. I also really like these. Big decision to make which one. Let's go strawberry. Actually, orange mango. Nice.
Continue to scan your Optimum card or next item.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for using our self-checkout.
Shouldn't touch this. Damn, when the camera gets so zoomed in, damn it.
Start recording.
Oh, that's good. That is nice. Excuse me. Yeah, so, I mean, to summarize the video, by waking up early, it gives you time to complete things that you want to complete, whether it be your habits, being consistent with your habits, or that eating the frog task, like I mentioned. And not only that, it helps you get the ball rolling for the day. I mean, it helps you feel more productive, have a more productive day, which is pretty good. So I guess the actionable step for this video is tomorrow morning, set the alarm for a bit earlier than usual, and really spend that time working on yourself, your habits, whatever needs to be done. Just really spend that time grinding, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's about it. It's a short video.